Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Ripples of Affirmations, your sanctuary for positive transformation. Today, let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment as we explore affirmations designed to help you embrace the changes life brings. Join us for the next 6 minutes to cultivate a mindset that welcomes transformation and growth. Your journey of embracing changes starts now. Instructions *. 1. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can reflect and connect with the affirmations. Allow these words to resonate within, guiding you through the process of embracing change. 2. As we journey together, visualize the changes in your life as opportunities for growth and transformation. Let go of resistance and open yourself to the positive shifts that change can bring. 3. Let each affirmation become a beacon of strength, guiding you through the twists and turns of life's journey. Embrace the beauty that comes with embracing change. 4. Share this video with others who may benefit from a positive perspective on change. Like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more empowering content. Your support keeps our positive ripples flowing. Until we meet again, take care. Affirmations *. I welcome change as a natural part of life, recognizing it as an opportunity for growth and transformation. With every change, I adapt and thrive, finding new avenues for joy, fulfillment, and personal development. Change is a constant in my life, and I embrace it with an open heart and a mindset of positivity. I release resistance to change and trust that it brings forth opportunities for learning and expansion. Each moment of change is a chance for me to evolve into a better, wiser, and more resilient version of myself. I trust the process of life, knowing that even the most challenging changes hold the seeds of valuable lessons. Change is not my enemy, it is my ally in the journey towards self-discovery and personal empowerment. I let go of the past with gratitude, recognizing that change opens the door to a brighter and more fulfilling future. As I embrace change, I invite new energy and experiences into my life, creating a tapestry of richness and diversity. Change allows me to shed what no longer serves me, making room for the abundance that awaits on my path. I release the need for control and surrender to the flow of life, trusting that change leads me to my highest good. I am resilient in the face of change, navigating the transitions with grace, strength, and a positive mindset. Change is a catalyst for self-discovery, revealing the depths of my strength, courage, and adaptability. I am open to the beauty that unfolds with every change, seeing it as an opportunity to shape a more fulfilling reality. The winds of change bring a refreshing breeze of renewal, sweeping away stagnation and inviting growth. I am the architect of my destiny, and through embracing change, I construct a life that aligns with my truest desires. Change allows me to explore uncharted territories, unlocking hidden potentials and talents within me. I trust the timing of my life, believing that every change aligns with the greater unfolding of my personal journey. I am not defined by my circumstances, I am shaped by how I respond to and embrace change. Change is the canvas upon which I paint the masterpiece of my life, creating a vibrant and evolving masterpiece. I release the fear of the unknown and welcome change as a teacher, guiding me towards deeper self-awareness. With every change, I find opportunities for gratitude, recognizing the blessings that emerge from life's ever-shifting landscape. Change is a constant invitation to let go of attachments and cultivate a mindset of detachment and acceptance. I flow with the river of change, trusting that it leads me to the ocean of my highest potential. Change is not a threat, it is an ally that propels me towards the fulfillment of my dreams and aspirations. In the dance of change, I find my rhythm, moving gracefully through the cycles of transformation with resilience and poise. I am a co-creator of change, shaping my destiny with intention, purpose, and a heart open to new possibilities. Change is a mirror reflecting my inner growth, and I welcome the reflections of strength, wisdom, and evolution. I release resistance to change and embrace the adventure that comes with navigating the twists and turns of life. With each change, I become more attuned to my authentic self, aligning my life with my true purpose and passions. Change is the sculptor shaping the masterpiece of my life, chiseling away what no longer serves my highest good. I trust the divine order of the universe, knowing that every change is a piece of the intricate puzzle of my life's journey. Embracing change allows me to dance with the rhythm of the universe, harmonizing with the cosmic flow of energy. Change is the key that unlocks the doors to new opportunities, adventures, and the limitless possibilities that await me. I am a resilient being, and through the cycles of change, I discover the depths of my strength and the expansiveness of my spirit. Change is my ally in the journey of self-discovery, guiding me towards the fulfillment of my soul's purpose. I am a conscious creator of change, transforming challenges into stepping stones towards my vision of a fulfilling and purposeful life. With gratitude in my heart, I welcome the transformative power of change, knowing that it leads me towards my highest destiny. Conclusion *. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey of embracing changes. If these affirmations resonated with you, we invite you to like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more uplifting content. Share this video with those who may benefit, and until our paths cross again, take care.